Hi everybody, welcome to Timeless Fluid Art. I'm Jenise. I'm going to redo this one. I don't like it. I want to redo it and we'll see what happens. I've already got my paint mixed. I have my base coat, which is the interior paint semi-gloss white with a little bit of Liquitex pouring medium. Haven't used that in a long time. And then I added just a little tad of pouring medium in each of the paints. The paint is mixed with Valspar and Jasanya varnish and a little bit of Liquitex varnish. So I should get something. I want it to flow really good, but I don't want to have it to be overpowering. So, alrighty. Now, my accelerator, I'm going to be doing a little bit different. And we'll see how it works, how it comes out. I'm not sure. All right. My paints, the one yesterday came out absolutely beautiful. Let me show you the finished product. Absolutely gorgeous. The gold is just gorgeous, and then the back nice and clean. So it really came out absolutely gorgeous. I love it. So I want to do something similar on that. So we shall see. Taking a chance, ruining something, but you know, hey, you gotta live. You know, you gotta be able to try it. If you don't try things in life, then what's the point? So I'm just doing a little bit right here, and I'll squish it over to the edge. I don't really care about doing the sides. If it happens, it happens. And if it doesn't, it doesn't. I can go around and paint it, you know? All right, so I'm gonna go over just to the edge here. I really don't want to spin past the edge. So, and if there's any paint on the other side, which I think there is, well, actually, I probably could go around. I don't know what I'm doing. I've never done this like this before, so this is going to be interesting to see how it comes out. Now, I might go around with the my hand and do the little sides. Whoops, just put my finger in it. All right. I'm going to put this, I guess, I don't know where. I guess here's good enough. All right, then what I think I'll do, I'll take this. This has some in here, not a lot. And I'll just go around a little here. And we'll see what happens. It's going to have some kind of bullet coming out. Now I'm not going to use that. I'm not going to worry about it really. Whatever happens, I'll just put it on my hand. Let's get messy, shall we? I love getting messy anyway. I'll just do the sides like this. Because you know what, I'll be really upset if it comes out really good on the sides. I can't fix. So let me go here. It should be pretty loose too, because I added the pouring medium, which is a lot thinner than this paint. So I'm hoping it spreads enough evenly and spreads around so it looks really cool looking. I love this. I don't normally hang wood pieces, especially like this, but I figure, why not? I'd like to get something like this. I mean, I have a bunch of my art on every single wall in the whole entire house, even the bathroom, the toilet area. So I have it everywhere. So let me just get a little more over here, I think. Should be smoothing itself out. I went ahead and I sanded around the edges and then sanded the top. So I have some friction here. All right, I think I'm at the end. Yeah, I think so. Alrighty, make sure I got the bottom on all of it. And it looks like I do. Hard to tell when it's on the spinner, but at least it gets I get to spin a little bit. See how get this done quicker. Alright. Alright, I think we're good. Seems to appear good. Alright, now new gloves. Oh. Alrighty. I guess what I can do is pour some more of my base coat, because the base in the middle is going to be a little... I think I'll keep it. We'll see what happens. I'll just pour this down here. It just gives a little bit more paint on it. Alright, now. Uh-oh. Just got paint on my mug. Oh no. Alright, let me get my gloves. Now I don't want to have to change my gloves again, okay? I'm getting ridiculous here. Alrighty, make sure you are filming. Yeah, and it's for real, just a video. Good. I hate when it ends up doing something that you didn't expect. Like, I'll put this back over here on top of this garbage here now. So upset. Alright, I haven't used I did a little bit with the white paint yesterday, but there must be something coming up in the, I don't know. Alright, first things first, I'm going to put purple. Okay. And then I'm going to do a little bit of the Naples yellow. Alrighty. Then I'll do green. Turquoise, actually. Then dark blue. This is cobalt blue mixed with a little bit of, did I do this one yet? This is very little here, so just stash that a little bit. Alrighty. And the light blue on top. And then I think I'm going to do another yellow. I wish the other yellow was, I didn't even do a new yellow, but we'll see. And I see that I've got here a bubble. Alrighty. And now, for the complete resistance, the gold. Now gold, I put Floetrol, because you gotta have enough gold. You have to have it, I want it swimming around here, okay? Alrighty, now we're ready to go. Just gotta go here. Oh, I'm gonna swish this around a little bit. And I'm going to take the black paint here and go. Each one I'm doing separate. Okay, now I'm just going to do a little bit here. Fresh one for here. All right, now I'm going to spin it and we'll see what happens. I'm going to let it sink around here. I want to spread it a little bit, but I don't want to have that much of the gray in there. Alrighty. In the back, I'm going to paint, so I'm not too worried about it. I really want more in the middle, so let me see if I can pop some of this way and get more of that in the middle. If they can combine, it would be quite lovely. No, it's not doing. Alright, so let's see. A lot of paint here. I had a ton yesterday. Oh my god, it was just too much. What if I could just take a little bit? No, I'm afraid to do anything. You see what I'm talking about? Right here. Just keep going. I really would like that to move over there. It's always one spot. Why does it do that? Well, let me see. If I could just get it going together, it'd be friggin' awesome. It's starting to. You know what? I'm going to quit while I'm ahead. Let me put this over here. Alrighty, here we go. Look at the cells. Are these amazing or what? Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. Like a snake skin, basically. Oh, now look, this is getting purples up here. Nice. I don't like the cloudy spot though. I'm gonna try blowing it again. Let me get over here. Beautiful. Well, I definitely love this more than the other thing I did. That was just like yucky. So now I have something really cool to hang up or to sell. I love this little area now with little cells. So cute. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you later on. Love you guys. Thank you. New subscribers and old subscribers. Take it easy. Have a great day. Bye-bye.